Let's have a look at question 14 in this video. So we're looking for the probability. If the test is positive, then the probability that the controller used drugs. Okay, so what are we actually looking for? The probability that the controller used drugs if the test was positive, given that the test is positive. So given that we have a positive test score. Now the property of conditional probabilities tells us that this is going to be the probability of using drugs and having a positive test scores divided by the probability of a test result. Now we already know the probability of using drugs and the positive test result because we calculated over here when we were calculating the probability of a positive test result. The probability of having a positive test result and using drugs is this multiplication over here, 0.96 times 0.007. And if we work this out, that's equal to 0.00672. So we can use this over here. That's equal to 0.00672 divided by the probability of having a positive test result, which we calculated to be 0.0762. 0.0762. Now if we work out the math here, we do the division, that's gonna equal to 0.088, and if we round it up, that's equal to 0.09, meaning that's 9% probabilities. And if we have a look at the answer key, it's also 0.09, so the answer is true. The probability that someone uses drugs given that the test score was positive is only 9%. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.